The final section is forward. That very last paragraph, what journalists call the kicker, is that final paragraph that moves the piece forward. Sometimes people call it also a call to action. This would be the area in which your op-ed says, call your congressman, call your dog catcher. This is what you should do in conclusion. And it should have this forward lens to it. So if there's a bill moving through your local board, if something is going to come up soon, whether it's in the news because of an economic crisis, that final paragraph should allow people to look towards the future. In the paddling example, you might say it is going to be hard to fully ban teachers from telling kids to do push-ups. You might look forward to bills that might be moving through a state legislature, but you want to have that forward leaning and end often, as people do, with a quote or some vivid detail that, again, allows people to push forward. The other thing about that forward, that final section, is that you want, again, to re-summarize your argument. You want to revisit those key ideas in a pithy, short way, using strong nouns, strong verbs, to allow people to know exactly what you're arguing and what that argument is.